Hey there, my name is Chris Mitchell and I'm a Managed Services Consultant at ProVal Tech. Today I just wanted to go over how you can save yourself a little time waiting for groups and searches and other items to rebuild within the database. A couple tricks you can kind of go in and force those things to happen right away. So let's get to it. So here we're going to go through how you can save yourself a little bit of time from waiting for the database to rebuild groups and searches and things like that. In some of the elements, they've added where you can force an auto join to run, but in other things, you just have to wait those 16 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever the timing cycle is of that item. If you go to Help, Server Status, this is going to give you a little bit of information. So it gives you some options. You can reload your IIS. You can restart the database agent. You can do your normal cleanup. This is where it purges those event log history and those other items that are set in the dashboard. You can redo your patch calculations, which you would normally do every night. You can do your normal backup, and then you can refresh your searches and do a group refresh. So all of these things are generally used for troubleshooting, or you're trying to load a plugin or make some other changes and you're just kind of tired of waiting for it. You can get a lot of that access right here from this screen. Be careful with it. You don't want to go in here arbitrarily and just start clicking resets. But it is handy to know that it exists and can give you some other info as far as kind of what's going on in the system. Thanks for watching. We share a new video each week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate, Manage, or pretty much any other managed services product that you guys use. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There's a link in the video and in the description below. Have a good day.